I cannot speak English. English is too hard because when I try to speak, I get stuck. I feel frustrated. And when I try to speak, I get stuck and my mind goes blank. I don't know what to say and what not to say. So I'm going to not spend my time to learn this language. Wait. Do you have such kind of perception? Then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So watch this video till the end and I will give you the suggestion so that you can start your English speaking journey again if you are thinking that you are going to give up. Hello and welcome back to the channel English with Anjali. Hope you are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So friends, whenever we start our English speaking journey and when we can't speak English, when we cannot express our feelings, our emotions, our thoughts, our ideas in English, then we just stop ourselves and we think that English is not for us. It is too hard. There are so much grammar rules, there are so much vocabulary, so I'm not going to learn this. And I cannot frame the sentences. So I should not waste. Actually, it is our mentality that we think that we are not spending the time, but we are wasting the time. So if you are the one, then you need to change your perception. English is not hard. Yeah, I know there are lots of grammar rules, lots of vocabulary we need to learn to speak English fluently. But what is the rush of getting fluency in starting? If you are the beginner, then you don't need to think that English is hard and there are so much vocabulary. Due to this reason, we just get frustrated because in starting, we just think that if we are starting from today, then from tomorrow we can speak English fluently. And this is not going to happen because we are not a robot that some knowledge can be feed in ourselves and we can start speaking English. No, not at all actually. So you need to change the perception regarding this, that English is hard and you are going to not spend so much time for learning this language. So first of all, I would like to tell you, if you are the one who wants to speak in English but you don't know what is the best strategy by using that you can be a fluent English speaker. So first of all, in starting, you don't have to think that you have to become a fluent English speaker, because in starting, if we have such kind of mentality that I'm going to speak English fluently after some days, if you are spending 2 to 3 days and you are thinking that you are not speaking and you are thinking that you are going to leave, you are going to give up, then this is not the solution. First of all, you don't need to think about fluency. If you are starting, then just think about the process, that what you can do to start your English speaking journey and what you can do to do your best. Yes, when I had started, I was also on the beginner level. I was not an intermediate level because I knew the grammar rules, but grammar rules, if you know the grammar rules, it is not enough. Yes, if you are thinking that I know the English grammar rules and I can speak English, then it is your mentality. Actually, knowing grammar rule is another thing, but speaking is another part. If you know the grammar rules and you are not implement, then you are not going to speak, because speaking is another level. And if you are learning grammar rules, then you are missing the part of speaking. Then how come it is possible that you are going to speak English? No. So you need to understand that what you can do. So I always say that consistency matters a lot. Yes, if you are thinking that after 2 to 3 days you are going to speak English fluently, then it is not going to happen actually. And you don't need to think about it. First, you have to immerse yourself to learning this language. You have to immerse yourself for at least 1 month. And I know after doing this 5 to 6 days, it will not happen actually. But if you are listening English and if you are learning English, then it will become your habitual process. Yes, I know nothing will going to happen if you are trying to speaking after 4 to 5 days. You will get stuck. Your sentences will break down in the middle, and you will get frustrated. But you don't have to give up actually. It is said that if you want to speak English or anything, if you want to speak or learn, then first you need to immerse yourself. You need to immerse yourself for listening. Yes, if you want to speak in English, then first of all you need to listen English. I always say by listening English you are going to speak English. Yes. So I always say that listen at least 1 hour, 1 or half hour, you can say. It depends on you actually. Meanwhile, you have to focus that whatever you are listening, just try to speak whatever you are listening. It is shadowing technique. Yes. If you are listening that when I was going there, I saw a beautiful garden. If you are listening this, then try to speak from your mouth. Yes, in the beginner level, it is most important, it is mandatory that if you are listening, then if you are speaking from your mouth, then your mouth will get habitual and you will speak long sentences. Otherwise, you are not going to speak. Yes, if you are just listening, you are taking input, but you are not going to give the output, then you are not going to speak actually. So you need to understand that listening is most important to learn anything. How did we learn Hindi? By listening, yes. In our childhood, yes. I know we don't have such kind of environment, surrounding where people speak in English so that we can learn English by listening. As like we learned Hindi. I know, I agree. But you have to think right now that what you can do. If you don't have surrounding, then you will have to create the surrounding for yourself. So create the surrounding. You can create, of course you can create. In this era, you have your own mobile phone, and it depends on you that what you are listening. Are you just scrolling your phone for reels or song, or you are going to give the time to yourself so that you can listen English and you can learn English? It depends on you. You know what? When I had started, I had made my phone YouTube like this. Whenever I used to open my YouTube, I always see English related video like English speeches or English cartoon, English movie, anything. It was only in English or English grammar rules. So whenever I find the time, on that time, I used to just listen. At least in my starting, if I am talking about my starting days, I have done so many things. Like whenever I find the time, on that time, I used to listen English. In starting, I always listen more and more. I think 3 to 4 hours I used to listen on that time. I have done so many things. That's why I'm speaking in front of you. So now it's your turn. It depends on you that you are giving time to yourself or not. You are listening or you are just procrastinating. That you are giving just lame excuses that I don't have such kind of environment, surrounding. I have no partner to whom I can practice. It depends on you. It is not easy task actually, but it depends on you that what are you going to do with yourself. If it's your passion, it's your desire, whenever you see the people who speak in English, the way he or she speaks, you love the people who speak in English, then it's your turn that you are going to speak English or not. You are learning, you are giving the time to yourself or not. So without spending any single penny, you can learn English from your mobile phone. If you are a true beginner, then there is no rush There is no rush for getting fluency. Just listen English and try to speak. Of course it is going to take time, and if you are a true beginner, you don't know anything और आपको कुछ नहीं पता, then just start करिए आप grammar rules को. Simple grammar rules, there are so many YouTube चैनल कि आप वहाँ से इंग्लिश ग्रामर को तैयार कर लीजिए. सम वोकेबलरी को लर्न करिए, सिंपल वोकेबलरी, एंड देन ट्राई टू लिसन इंग्लिश. एंड मीनवाइल you have to speak. If you are doing this, then I must say you are going to speak. But if you are just thinking that, if you are just sitting in your room and you are thinking that I wish I could speak English because I love the way people speak in English, then nothing is going to happen. I know it is just bitter for you, but it is reality. So I always listen from the people that I can speak English. I cannot speak English, actually I can understand English when it will come that I can speak English fluently. And if you had tried it 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, multiple times, unlimited times, and still you are not able to speak even a single sentences from your mouth, whenever you try to speak your sentences will break down, then what you can do? Because you are not giving 100%, and of course you are not going to doing it on the regular basis yet. Yes, it shows that lack of practice. Only lack of practice. Due to lack of practice you are not going to speak. So just try to make your phone, like if you are just opening your phone, then always listen English. If you are a movie lover, cartoon lover, or anyone, then just try to watch and listen in English. You can shift your Hindi on the English. So just try. अगर आप इंग्लिश बोलने का ट्राई करते हैं, अगर आप कोई इमर्स करते हैं खुद को इंग्लिश की, हमें इंग्लिश सीखना है, एंड प्रैक्टिस करते हैं डेली बेसिस पे, बिना प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट किए, बिना लैम एक्सक्यूजेस बनाए, देन ऑफ कोर्स यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज. इतना भी हार्ड टास्क नहीं है इंग्लिश बोलना. या ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ नॉट आवर मदर टंग, so it is going to take efforts. But if you are just thinking that it is too hard, I'm going to just give up, then this is not the right solution. After learning grammar rules, just try to apply, just try to speak. Don't think about perfection. Yes, don't wait for perfect time कि perfect time आएगा जब मैं पूरे grammar rules को learn कर लूँगा, then after I will try to speak. So no, you don't have to think about this actually. So okay friends, that's all about this video. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.